Who wants a pickle?
Pickle.
Pickle! You want a pickle?
Pickle.
Oh, careful, watch out. Well, good morning. It's Thursday at approximately 9:30 a.m. The weather is awesome today. On our agenda is to just spend as much time outdoors as possible. I think the plan is we're gonna go up the Kancamagus highway, which is some of the most beautiful views in New England. Pull off, maybe hike a couple trails, see the sights, get a little exercise. Are you ready to go, Avery? Tell the nice people on the internet how excited you are.
I'm really excited.
You're really excited?
Yes.
Okay.
I got my walking stick.
Yeah, you got it. Show them your stick. It's a serious walking stick. Let's put it to good use. Let's go. But first, before we go anywhere,
I'll be right back. I gotta get some coffee.
quick pit stop to get the kids some water. Had to stop right here. Look at these views. Woo! Insane. You ready for our hike?
Yes, Daddy.
Where are we going?
Daddy.
Say we're going to Sabbaday Falls. Where do we go, Avery?
We have to go up there.
Yep, up there.
Yep, we do have to go up there.
All right, guys, it's time for a hike. Someone went a little too hardcore with the hiking and scraped his knee. Oh, buddy. You gotta be careful. Critically low voltage.
It said
Aircraft will
landing.
land. No.
What does that mean?
I don't know.
Critically low voltage?
I don't know. That's a new one.
Whoa! Whoa! Whoa!
All right, not sure what that was.
Did you record any of that?
Yeah, I did.
Okay.
Yeah. You're tired? You ready to eat lunch, dude?
That's so silly.
Someone is losing his marbles.
Buddy, what's wrong? Do you want ice?
Hey, can you settle? Are you calm now? Are you okay? Okay, I guess not. Apologies in advance to the Gypsy Cafe. Didn't realize he was gonna lose his mind. ice cream at Utterly Delicious. Going back to the cabins. Let's go, guys. Come on. Mommy and Emery are sleeping. Me and Avery are going to the park. We are. Fling it around. Show me how you sling the ball. Wow, look at that red leaf.
Those called a pink.
Pink leaf, okay. You ready to go down by the water?
Yes, Daddy.
Let's go. Go ahead, I got you. Well, what better way to round out the last night here in New Hampshire than another grill session right next to the waterfall. Daddy Longleg. I'll get him. Oh, look at that, dude. The spider. Spider. Can we let him crawl on you for a second? Right here. Watch, see? He's nice. He won't hurt. Oh, I got him. Who wants a pickle?
Pickle.
Pickle!
You want a pickle?
Pickle.
You want one? You want a pickle?
Pickle.
Hey, do you want one more pickle?
Yes. I want one more pickle.
You do?
I do.
Okay, sit in your chair.
The kid's face.
So have you guys had fun on your vacation so far? Yeah? Do you like it? You like it in New Hampshire?
Yes.
You do too, Emery?
We'll come back here another time.
Yeah, we will. We will. Kind of don't want to go back to work.
Pickle.
Pickle. I got an idea. I'll quit my job. We'll move to New Hampshire, and Daddy will open a pickle stand. Yeah?
Yeah.
Does that sound like a good idea? Yeah? Are you looking for more pickles?
Pickle.
One.
One. You and Daddy and Emery share this one.
It's the community pickle.
It's the Can I have a kiss? Can I have a kiss? I didn't get you. Can I have one more? Oh, I love you.
I'm getting to light up some sticks.
Oh, you're getting sticks for Daddy?
Bye-bye, campsite. Until next year, we'll miss you. Trying to cook a bunch of pancakes on a tiny little pan for a family of 4. It takes some time. It does. Emery, did you have fun in New Hampshire?
I saw this driving
Did you?
Yes.
Do you think we'll come back to New Hampshire soon? Did you have fun?
Yeah.
Yeah.
New Hampshire has the ice here.
New Hampshire has the ice.
Yeah.
Oh, okay. We'll come back for the ice, at least, okay?
Okay.
Well, New Hampshire summer 2016 vacation comes to an end. Had a great time these last 5 days, reliving some old memories I had at this place when I was a kid, and more importantly, making some new memories. It's gonna start to get cold real soon out here in New Hampshire, but I think we might just have to make a fall trip. What do you think, Mana? Fall trip?
Yeah.
This place really is beautiful. It'll definitely be a staple of our family vacations for many years to come. New Hampshire, it's been real. Tonight, I sleep in my own bed. Goodbye.